Hello. Oh, you can see my whole body. Oh my goodness. So I got complaints that you couldn't see the food, even though I had made a disclaimer in the video. That, like, you know, you can't see the food. Anyway, now you're gonna be able to see the food. Look at this. Yay! I'm gonna do something inappropriate maybe to do on camera, but I'm really uncomfortable and I want to actually fucking enjoy this, so... Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Guess what I'm doing before I fucking actually, like, finish doing it, and you'll win a prize! The prize is knowing. Maybe I should restart this. Maybe I shouldn't, keep this in. Just kidding, it's fine. It's fine. There we go. Okay. Now I can actually fucking enjoy myself. So today, not just one, but 2 large fries. And I'm gonna put one back in the bag for now, though. I'd love to just, like, pour it all out on my plate, and that would just, like, look like a shit ton of fries, and it would look, like, really, like, good for the video. But, that will make them, like, really fucking cold in, like, fucking 2 minutes. And cold fries from McDonald's are just as good as no fries from McDonald's. And the only thing I like at McDonald's... excuse me, I shouldn't say that. This is the only thing I get at McDonald's lately. Because they fucking stopped having breakfast all day long. Literally, can you think of a better fucking greater business decision ever made by any fucking business other than McDonald's to have breakfast all fucking day? There isn't one. Amazon Prime, fuck that. Netflix, fuck that. Disney Plus, all that shit doesn't have shit on when they had breakfast all fucking day. And they never even stopped doing it until, like, fucking, I don't know, quarantine or whatever. Oh no, we're not supposed to mention it. Oh no, we're supposed to be relaxing. But if it was up to me, tonight I would not only be eating 2 fries, but I would also have a sausage biscuit with egg. And I saw a Wendy's ad earlier, and it had a sausage biscuit type thing, and it made me want it so bad. And it made me so mad because it was like 8 p.m. And I know I can't just go get that. Literally, I even woke up really early the other day and I was like, I want to go get McDonald's breakfast, let's go. They literally changed menus while I was, like, in line. Waiting. I haven't had a fucking egg, sausage biscuit with egg in, like, I don't even know. Oh, I forgot to mention. This is the sauce of choice, okay? This. Hot mustard. Yes, for French fries. Yes, for everything else that they have on the menu, except for the breakfast items. I had a honey mustard. I used to, like, die for the honey mustard when I was a kid. Then I moved on to barbecue for a little bit. Now I'm on this only. Like, I get cravings for this and these, like, every fucking day. Every fucking day. I have acne because of this lately. The past couple weeks, I've been having this, like, all the fucking time. Something else I want to add is, I'm glad that you guys like my videos. I thought I was kind of, like, I don't know, like, I didn't think anybody would fucking get it or something. I was all like, oh, you know, like, oh, self-conscious and shit, like, oh, these aren't funny. But now I actually know that I am the king. And I fucking made you into what you fucking are. So don't fucking forget. Okay, look at me. Look at me eating these fries. You need this. You need this. Alright? Your life is lonely without me. You choose this. Because you can't live without me. You have no obligation, but you choose it. Because you don't have another choice. What are you without this? Just a fucker sitting in his room, or her room, or their room, eating alone, watching fucking SpongeBob reruns. But because of me, you don't need those SpongeBob reruns. We all know those jokes already. We've all seen it 100 times. This is fresh. Frequently uploaded content. For when you're alone, eating. Potentially 2 large fries from McDonald's. So on top of that, there's relatability. So you're welcome. Just don't forget who the fuck gets you through your fucking day. That's all I'm trying to fucking say. Like, a human is nothing without their crutches. That was a good one. Do you guys like the wiggly fries? Look how brown some of these ones are. Look at like that one in comparison to like this one. Sometimes I kind of like the brown ones. Like it's like, you know, change it up a little bit. Get some flavor in there. Sometimes I think they're about to be like good brown ones. And then they're like too browned. And kind of gross, but then I just eat another one that's good and it makes it okay. Something else I like about my videos is that I talk with my mouth, with food in my mouth. I talk with food in my mouth. And this is an integral part of the mukbang. Damn, this shit, honestly, this shit's good. I was hungry. Ooh, look at these. These are, like, really good ones. I feel like these are the fries that people, like, everyone likes. Some people go for the more crispy ones. I prefer, like, the more wiggly ones. These ones are just right. No one can resist this. What else? I had some points I wanted to make here, some important points about McDonald's fries. Oh! I don't know if you knew this, but they cook these in animal fat. That's why they're so fucking good. So if you're a vegan, or you don't like, you know, killing animals and shit, you can't eat these. Oh shit! Fuck, bro. Almost inhaled some of that hot mustard. Shit, bro. Dude, it's spicy. Oh. I also need water, but I don't want to like get up and it interrupt my fucking mukbang. And my glass of water is empty. I usually just keep a full glass of water right here, and I use the same glass over and over again, like all week. Like I'm an animal. Like I'm a hamster in a cage. Because I don't care about myself. Just kidding. It's not even that I don't care about myself. I just really don't see why the fuck it matters. It's my fucking lips every single time. I get new water. It's just the same cup. Yeah, bacteria and all that. I don't give a fuck, bro. It's my bacteria. It's fine. Like, I've been doing it, like, for this long. It's fine. Stop fucking questioning me. I'm a little angry in this one, aren't I? Is it intimidating you? Were you hoping to be relaxed? Came to the wrong place. But don't forget, you need this. You need me. Okay? Don't fucking try to leave. You'll just be right fucking back. So, I honestly still have like half the fucking box left. And I don't like the fucking crispy hard ones. So at this point, I just fucking dump them out and then start picking out all the good ones. And thank God I have another box because I'm still fucking hungry.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I'm afraid I'm going to have to send you home. Your blood pressure is way too low. Oh, God, no love for me. Did you give blood recently? Yes, but so did she. Twice. See? You do not have to take it from a baby in my arm. You can take it from one in the back of my leg. Both of you go home.
I really need some water.
I'm not giving you a mug. You can have a cookie.
I guess this is on my iPhone. I could just take it with me. It'll be interesting. It'll be like a field trip. I'm drooling. It's so fucking delicious. So fucking good.
Let's save some lives.
Mm-mm-mm-hmm.
Shoot. Now where that little something gonna get to? It's over here, Mr. Strickland.
What are you guys eating today? What are you guys having? I already got some ideas for my next upcoming videos. I'm gonna do more, I'm gonna buy more food again. With my dad's credit card. That he lets me use. And I'm moving out soon. So that won't be an option for very much longer. So I'm kind of just milking it. No shame. I'm 23, and my dad still gives me a lot of money. And I'm unemployed. So, if you know anywhere that's hiring in the East Bay, hit me up. And also hit me up if you're looking to buy a car. Or if you're selling one. But no salvage titles, please. This is serious. Please hit me up. It's out right on time because I just ran out of fucking good fries. You still can't see the plate. I'm gonna get complaints. I'll just put it on a slant. There we go. After this, I'll get some water.
He was having some trouble, but I bailed him out with my trusty hand wedge.
Mm.
There was money on the game. Besides, Link Rabbit's a horse's ass.
Did you see me catch that shit? I almost dropped it.
No, I'm not. Mr. Strickland gave me that watch.
That was one of those good brown ones. Not the one that I just ate, but the one like that I almost dropped. That was good.
He asked me to cheat when we were on the
I had that like, I don't know, what's that? What is that? Sorry if my TV is too loud. I guess. Oh, I noticed I was a little quiet in the last video. Oh. Also something I was gonna say, I got really mad about my first video. That shit, I thought I could put that together on my phone. It took me like fucking 24 hours with the help of my boyfriend. Just to string some videos together. And there was still a fucking problem. Because I noticed after uploading it, that more than half the fucking video got cut out. So now I look like a fucking hack. Now. Because of that. That is what made me look stupid. That is what happened. Nothing else. And then my second video, I talked kind of quiet. You couldn't see the food. And honestly, I feel like I didn't really say that much, but I was actually really fucking hungry. But, I mean, I kind of thought that, like, here we go. I kind of thought that, like, nobody would want to hear me talk, but then once I posted them, I found out that, like, that's kind of why people watch it. Because, like, my friends told me it was kind of good. I kind of like the videos. So, like, give me some confidence about what I'm doing here. And about, like, what I want to do. So, that's good. That's good. We got a good thing going. Might get monetized soon, guys. Might get monetized. Might just get monetized. Might just get sponsored. Ah, that's so funny. You're saying the same thing over and over again. Fuck you. It's my fucking video. Dude, I'm still hella hungry. I'm so glad I have another fucking... another box. See what I mean about my terrible eating habits? Like, this 2 boxes of fries is a meal for me, and I'm not even just doing this, excuse me, because of, the mukbang. I just actually regularly do this. And this is my first time recording it. Sometimes if I'm really hungry, I'll get some nuggets too. Sometimes I'll get an ice cream. I really like the hot fudge sundae, but I don't know, like it always fucking melts by the time I drive home. Or a snack size M&M McFlurry. Those are really good, but if I'm gonna keep doing this, like, I can't just be eating sugar all the time. I already had, like, a Java chip today from Starbucks, so that's it for today. And, like, I used to have a really bad habit, actually, of, like, having, like, a sugary drink every day. It all started when I was a barista at a boba place, which will go unnamed, because I don't want to advertise those fuckheads. I should send this to future employers, huh? What was I saying? Oh, yeah. I don't know how many pounds I gained, because I don't know how, like, I have, my parents are divorced. I have a house with my mom and my dad, and neither of them have a functioning scale. I have 2 whole homes. So I don't know how much I gained, but I gained. I'm like a little under 130 right now. Maybe less. Now that I thought I was gonna, I thought I started gaining weight back, and then, like, some pants that I bought a couple weeks ago that fit, like, snug and perfect actually, like, are loose now. Because of my terrible eating habits of eating only 1 big meal a day. So I don't know, but, I looked like this, basically, when I started there, and I didn't even 1 year ago, which was, like, already, like, after a year of working there. Even at the beginning of this year, like, I retained it, because I kept the bad habit. Even after I stopped working there, I had boba, like, almost every fucking day. And then I was a barista at another place. They're cool. But I'm not gonna mention them, because I might actually go back to work there if I can't find a new job. But I don't know, like, yeah, you know, quarantine, whatever the fuck, like, so, broke the habit, because I wasn't able to, like, go out every fucking day and just, like, get a fucking boba drink, and even now, if I do, like, I can't finish it. I'm just gonna stick with the fat and salt. I'll just develop a different issue. Call it Atkins. Ooh, look at this. This might be, like, pretty good. They're kind of, like, lukewarm now. I was hoping, like, as I got in them, they would be warmer, but these got really cold really fast. Like, faster than usual, because McDonald's fries get cold really fast. I mean, I guess it's already been 20 minutes. This shit's hella good. I'm like very hungry. This one's good. Ooh, this brownie. There's a lot of brown fries today. It has another fry stuck to it. I'm not holding that one, it's just there. Damn, they're not coming apart. Look how brown.
Back off. I'm this boy's father. Thought the old guy was his father.
No, this one's my dad. This one right here, the one with the dog.
Do you guys have like McDonald's around your area that there's just like something wrong there? Like there will be another McDonald's like a mile away that's fine. But then there's just that particular one that's just like never functioning.
The quicker we're out of hot springs, the better.
What the fuck is up with that? See, this is why my eating habits are bad. I'm getting tired of eating these and wanting to like just dump these out and only eat the good ones, but I'm still, my stomach is still hungry. Tonight might be one of those nights where I wake up at 8 a.m. And I know that's not night, that's morning, but some of us go to bed at 3 a.m., okay? Don't fucking judge me. Oh. Perfectly good fry ruined by a fucking tiny one attached to it. These are cold. Like, I'm starting to feel like they weren't hot when I received them. They were, though. The bag felt hot. The first box was hot. Oh my god, King of the Hill's already over? Oh no, I said the name of the show. Oh no. Cartoon Network, please sponsor me. I'll do advertisements for you. Just kidding, cable's out. Oh wait, it's not even Cartoon Network, it's Fox, right? Oof, I'm really gonna get in trouble. The weight of the world. Where are we at? 23 minutes? That's pretty good. I'm getting low on this one. This one had more, like, fries that I would like to eat. Like, I didn't... Look at all these I didn't eat from the last box. There's definitely, like, less in here than, like, when I dump them out. You know. You're smart. Has no idea who's watching this video. I forgot I'm supposed to burp out loud and shit. I just burped like under my breath or whatever you call it. Oh! I just missed my mouth. Hot mustard. Honestly, I have a plan for the video I want to do tomorrow. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'll just wait till I make it. But I'm excited. Because I'm just gonna ruin myself. Let's just say that much. That's how it starts. You think that you're underweight, and you don't eat enough, and you need more calories, so you start making mukbangs. And then next thing you know, you're just binging all the time. That's kind of scary, honestly. Stop saying that, please. It's like, you know when you watch Hoarders and, like, you think, like, dude, am I one of those? And then I look around and I'm like, honestly, maybe. Just kidding. Mental illness isn't a joke.
I know your birthday's not for another 2 days, and I'm no good at keeping secrets.
No, but seriously, like, grandfather is a hoarder.
He stands you for ages 7 and up.
Oh, low battery. Cool, I don't care. Like, okay, cool. It didn't stop my video. I would have been so mad, like, if it paused, because literally, like, if I can't just do it all in one take and upload it directly, like, I can't even explain the hassle that I will have to go through just to string a few fucking videos together. And now you're probably just like, dude, she doesn't know how to fucking, like, even use, like, anything, like, I don't fucking care, dude, like, shut up. Like, you don't know my complications in my life. There's salt fucking everywhere because I was holding this over here, not over the plate. Sometimes I go to bed and it just feels like crumbs, disgusting salts. It's just there, and I'm so tired, and I just kick them out, and sometimes I just close my eyes and pretend that it's not there. I wish that these were jokes. But then again, I can change.
I wish my girlfriend was here. She really likes to sit
I'm gonna eat that. There were like way better fries in this box. But way colder fries. What's your angle, McDonald's? Oh. Something else I'd like to add. Unrelated, just me talking. Me and my cousin are trying to move out together with each other, you know. We were gonna look at a place today, and like the listing didn't have the address anywhere, and it sounded too good to be true, and it was because I emailed them and I was like, where is this place? And I never got a response. But like, they didn't even try to scam me or anything. Like, I don't know, like, there wasn't even a scam attached. It was just a straight up fake listing. And I just don't really get, like, the incentive, like, of getting a bunch of pictures of a house and writing an entire description just to, like, just waste my time. It's been happening to me a lot lately. I feel some guy had me drive out, like, to go look at a car, and then, like, he sold it before I even got there. But I was already, like, halfway there. Like, maybe I'm stupid for showing up. Nah, I'm for surely not. Running out of good fries, but I'm still hungry. Ugh, I was gonna say, I was just about to go to bed instead of eating. So I can just wake up tomorrow and make my new mukbang. But I have fucking resin projects to do tonight. I don't know why I was holding this box the whole time. I already dumped out the fries. Ooh, this one's good. Ooh. Dude. Okay. The ones that have, the little crunchy bit, it's not gonna focus, but, like, they're, like, really squared off on the end, like that little crunchy bit, and the rest of it's, like, kind of soft, but not, like, too soft. Those are the best fucking ones. And they're usually, like, the size of the one I just showed you. That one wasn't as good as the one before it. Yeah, there's no more good ones. Who... Does anyone actually, like, eat, like, all of them? I think people do. They just get one box. I'm just high-key spoiled. I think I should stop. Here, let me move the camera instead of moving my plate full of food. This is like a medium fry that I left behind. I do this almost daily.